So I'm starting with my lesson about 25 most commonly mispronounced words in English language. So मैं ये PowerPoint presentation पे show कर रहा हूँ. So the first word is aisle. It's aisle, not aisle or aisle. People most commonly pronounce it as aisle or aisle. But ये aisle या aisle नहीं है, ये aisle है. And it means a passage between rows of seats in a building such as a church or theatre, an aircraft or train. और इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन है ILE, आयल, नॉट एजल और आइजल. ये इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन है आयल. सो द सेकेंड वर्ड इज आर्काइव. इट्स नॉट आर्काइव और आर्चीव. इट्स नॉट आर्काइव और आर्चीव. इट्स आर्काइव. It means a collection of historical documents or records providing information about a place, institution or a group of people. तो इसकी pronunciation जो है वो है archive, which is written as AA-KIVE, archive. So the next word is athlete. It's not athlete or athlete, it's athlete. We have to focus and emphasize more on TH sound पे हमें ज़्यादा stress करना है. It's athlete, not athlete or athlete. And it means a person who is proficient in sports and other forms of physical exercise. And इसकी pronunciation है ATH-LEET, athlete. So the next word is calendar. It's not calendar. People mostly pronounce it as calendar, but it's calendar. And it means a chart or series of pages showing the days, weeks and months of a particular year or giving particular seasonal information. So इसकी pronunciation जो है, it is written as calendar. It's KA-LUHN-DUH. So it's calendar. So our next word is kernel. It's kernel. Mostly लोग इसको pronounce करते हैं colonel or colonel, but it's not colonel or colonel, it's colonel. और इसका meaning है a rank of officer in the army and in the US Air Force, above a lieutenant colonel and below a brigadier or brigadier general. So it's colonel. और इसकी जो pronunciation है वो है KUH-NUHL, colonel. So it's colonel. कर्नल सॉरी. एंड इससे मुझे याद आया यहाँ पे एक वर्ड है लेफ्टिनेंट. सो ये स्पेलिंग जो है इट्स LIEUTENANT. सो इट्स नॉट ल्यूटिनेंट. यहाँ पे लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल को लोग प्रोनाउंस करते हैं ल्यूटिनेंट कर्नल, बट इट्स लेफ्टिनेंट. और लेफ्टिनेंट की भी जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन है इट्स लेफ्टिनेंट, LEFT -I, lieutenant, TENANT. So our next word is congrats, which is a short form of congratulations. So it's congrats, जिसको हम कहते हैं congratulations इंग्लिश में. So it's congrats. So इसकी pronunciation है KUHN-GRATS, congrats. So the next word is cupboard. It's not cupboard or something, it's cupboard. Cupboard नहीं होता, mostly people say it as cupboard, but it's cupboard. And it means a recess or piece of furniture with a door and typically shelves यूज फॉर स्टोरेज, एंड इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन जो है इट्स कबर्ड, KUH हाइफन BUHD, cupboard. So the next word is debris. It's not debris. लोग इसको प्रोनाउंस करते हैं debris या debris, but it's debris, and it means scattered pieces of rubbish or remains, or you can say remnants. So it's debris, and its की pronunciation जो है it is DEI hyphen BREE, debris, not debris. So the next word is debut, not debut. Debut or debut or debut. It's not debut, it's debut. It means a person's first appearance or performance in a particular capacity or role. So इसकी pronunciation जो है वो है DEI hyphen BYOO. तो इसमें हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि हमें स्ट्रेस ज़्यादा करना है ब्यू पे, डेब्यू. सो इट्स डेब्यू. सो हमारा नेक्स्ट वर्ड जो है इट्स एपिटमी. Epitome. So it means a person or thing that is a perfect example of a particular quality or type. So it's epitome, and it is pronounced as UH hyphen PITUH hyphen me. Epitome. So our next word is forte. It's not fort or forte, it's forte. It means a thing at which someone excels. So it's forte, and it is pronounced as FO-TEI, forte. So our next word is gauge, which means an instrument that measures and gives a visual display of the amount, levels or contents of something. So it's not gauge, it's gauge, and it is pronounced as GEIJ. It's gauge. So our next word is genre. It's not genre or genre, it's genre, and it means a style or category of art, music or literature. So it's genre, and its pronunciation is ZHON hyphen RUH, genre. So our next word is honor, which means high respect or great esteem. So it's honor, not honor. So its pronunciation is O hyphen NUH, honor. So our next word is invitation, which means a written or verbal request inviting someone to go somewhere or to do something. So it's invitation, and its pronunciation is invitation, IN space VUH hyphen TEI hyphen SHUN, invitation. So our next word is liaise. It's liaise, not laze. It's liaise, which means cooperate on a matter of mutual concern. So it's liaise, and इसकी pronunciation है LEE hyphen AYZ. It's liaise. So the next word is mayonnaise. So it's not mayonnaise or mayonnaise, it's mayonnaise, which means a thick creamy dressing consisting of egg yolks beaten with oil and vinegar and seasoned. So it's mayonnaise. And इसकी pronunciation है MEI hyphen 2H hyphen NEIZ. So it's mayonnaise. So the next word is menu. It's menu, not menu or menu. It's menu. We have to focus and emphasize and stress more on N part. So it's menu, which means a list of dishes available in a restaurant. So इसकी pronunciation है MEHNYOO. Menu. So the next word is mischievous. It's not mischievous or mischievous, it's mischievous, which means causing or showing a fondness for causing trouble in a playful way. So it's mischievous, and its pronunciation is MIS hyphen CHUH hyphen VUHS. Mischievous. And the next word is niche. It's not niche or niche, it's niche, which means a comfortable or suitable position in life or employment. So इसकी pronunciation है NEESH, simply NEESH, niche. So here are our last 5 words, and 21st word is plumber. It's not plumber, it's plumber, and it means a person who fits and repairs the pipes, fittings and other apparatus of water supply, sanitation or heating systems. So it's plumber, and its pronunciation is PLUH hyphen MUH. So it's plumber. The next word is pronunciation. It means the way in which a word is pronounced. Mostly people pronounce it as pronunciation, क्योंकि इसमें जो core word है वो है pronounce. So it means it's not pronunciation, it's pronunciation. So pronounce नहीं बोलना हमें, यहाँ पे pronunciation बोलना है, and इसकी pronunciation है PRUH hyphen NUHN hyphen SEE hyphen AY hyphen SHUN. So it's pronunciation. So our next word is rendezvous. It's not rendezvous or rendezvous, it's rendezvous. It means a meeting at an agreed time and place, and ये एक फ्रेंच वर्ड है rendezvous, and इसकी pronunciation है RON hyphen DEI hyphen VOO. Rendezvous. So our next word is key. It's not quay or quay, it's key. So it means a stone or metal platform lying alongside or projecting into water for loading and unloading ships. So it's key, and its pronunciation is KEE, simply key. And the last word is sword. It's not sword or sword, it's sword. It means a weapon with a long metal blade and a hilt with a hand guard used for thrusting or striking, and now typically worn as part of ceremonial dress. So it's sword, and its pronunciation is SAWD, sword. So I hope you all liked my first video lesson, and if you did so you can connect to me on my social media handles which I am mentioning right now. And please do like this video, comment on it, and also do subscribe to my channel Desi Muse App. Thank you so much.